This channel is all about tips for your health. Please watch this video till the end and learn about diuretic. Diuretics help your body dispose of salt and water chiefly by invigorating your kidneys to deliver sodium into your pee. Water is then pulled from your blood to focus the sodium levels. That produces more pee and diminishes the measure of liquid moving through your veins, giving alleviation from water maintenance in case you're experiencing edema, hypertension, and different conditions where constant water maintenance presents an issue. However, it's not simply persistent conditions that can benefit from outside intervention by diuretics. They can help ease swelling after a pungent dinner or from month-to-month hormonal vacillations. Over-the-counter diuretics are accessible in pill structure, yet there are 2 or 3 reasons you should maintain a strategic distance from them. While by and large safe for periodic use, they can have results like hypokalemia, brought about by too little potassium, which can prompt heart issues. Other potential results incorporate drying out, muscle spasms, wooziness and rashes. You can stay away from these by blending over-the-counter diuretics with nourishments high in potassium like bananas, sunflower seeds, apricots, or oranges. Joyfully, regular diuretics, like my cabbage, can offer help from water maintenance and swelling without taking any pills whatsoever. Organic products are high in water and potassium, and some are higher in magnesium and calcium, which can assist with counterbalancing the narrowing of your veins that cause you to feel enlarged when you've had abundant sodium. Some nourishments like grapes, celery, watermelon, different kinds of melon, cherries, apples, grapefruit, oranges and heaps of verdant greens is naturally your smartest choice for feeling good, quicker. While no single food in segregation is ever a supernatural occurrence fix, making a point to add a greater amount of these nourishments to your day will set you up for more noteworthy achievement. Here are some of the fruits that can naturally use in diuretics. Asparagus. From the hour of the old Greek and Romans, asparagus has been utilized for its diuretic properties. The vegetable's diuretic impacts originate from the amino-corrosive asparagine and has been utilized to treat expanding, stiffness, and premenstrual water maintenance. The unmistakable smell of pee in the wake of eating asparagus originates from asparagusic corrosive, which is separated into a sulfur-containing compound when processed. Beets. Beets are high in potassium, which takes out liquid. Here's additional concerning why beets are incredible and how to develop them. Betanin, which gives beets their shading, has been related with lower levels of C-receptive protein, making beets a mitigating also. Cabbage. Cabbage can help decrease water weight. The well-known cabbage soup diet conveys the diuretic properties of cabbage, alongside its high fiber and water substance to help weight reduction. The Romans utilized cabbage for aftereffects and to enable drunkards to dry out. Red cabbage is likewise a mitigating in light of the fact that it contains anthocyanins. Celery. Hippocrates prescribed celery to dispose of abundance liquid. Presently researchers have recognized that the phthalates in celery add to its diuretic impact. Uric corrosive levels in the body are diminished by the COX-2 inhibitors in celery, which makes it an ideal treatment alternative for gout edema, which results from overabundance uric corrosive precious stones gathering in the joints. Cranberries. Local Americans recognize the diuretic impacts of cranberries, utilizing them to treat various conditions including scurvy, which they accepted was brought about by a lot of salt. Cranberry juice has been utilized by ladies worldwide to forestall and treat UTIs and other bladder issues, despite the fact that exploration results have been blended. While the jury is out on the proanthocyanidins in cranberries and their antibacterial impact, as a diuretic, cranberries are particularly advantageous for eliminating liquid without disposing of potassium. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have sulfur and silicon which increment pee by invigorating the kidneys into better evacuation of uric corrosive. Stacked with water and potassium and low in sodium, cucumbers likewise hinder the creation of nitric corrosive and incendiary catalysts, in this manner lessening growing. Cucumber cuts can be utilized topically to relieve under-eye puffiness. Garlic. A similar sulfur-based compound that gives garlic its unmistakable smell, allicin, gives it therapeutic properties also. The Worldwide Diary of Drug Sciences and Exploration discovered garlic to be compelling as a diuretic. It is additionally works an intense cell reinforcement and adds to the breakdown of fats. Parsley. Parsley, particularly as a tea, is a conventional solution for water maintenance. Parsley diminishes the reabsorption of sodium and potassium salts in the kidney. This causes expanded pee volume, which diminishes swelling. Watermelon. Watermelon, with its 92% water substance and high potassium content, additionally has diuretic properties. It contains the amino-corrosive citrulline, which loosens up veins and shields liquids from spilling into close-by tissue, in this way diminishing the maintenance of water. Oregano. This delectable zest has incalculable expected advantages and uses in customary medication, including water maintenance and kidney stone treatment. Beside utilizing it as a zest, various oregano supplements exist. Oregano fundamental oil is wealthy in dynamic mixes. It tends to be utilized in fluid structure, while soft gels are a superior choice for the individuals who need to keep away from its solid fragrance. Caraway. Customary employments of caraway incorporate hypertension, water maintenance, and stomach-related issues. Hawthorn. Water maintenance is a significant issue in patients with coronary illness. Hawthorn may fortify the heart muscle and invigorates dissemination, empowering the expulsion of overabundance water. They expanded urinary sodium flush 4.8 occasions, and pee stream 2.6 occasions, bringing down the danger of kidney stones. Diuretic nourishments. Other than the organic products recorded, fennel, melon, and mustard greens have demonstrated outstanding diuretic impacts in an audit of characteristic diuretics. Potassium neutralizes water maintenance brought about by high sodium or salt admission. The accompanying potassium-rich nourishments may in this manner assist you with disposing of mellow water maintenance. Lentils. Potatoes. Kidney beans. Squash. Bananas. Beets. The most effective method to take regular diuretics and measurement. The dosages beneath utilized in clinical preliminaries may not concern you actually. On the off chance that your PCP proposes utilizing a characteristic diuretic, work with them to locate the ideal measurements as indicated by your ailment, potential medication collaborations, and different variables. Ricel tea, 150 mg per kilogram day by day. Horsetail separate, 750 to 900 mg day by day. Dark cumin seed separate, 200 to 600 mg day by day. Dandelion leaf separate, 24 ml day by day. Espresso and tea, 300 to 540 mg of caffeine day by day. Most normal diuretics are accessible as enhancements, alone or in various blends. For ordinary utilization, you can get ready teas with diuretic spices and dishes with diuretic nourishments and flavors. Observation. Normal diuretics upgrade pee without upsetting your mineral equalization. They may help decrease pulse, forestall kidney stones, soothe mellow growing, and backing the treatment of UTIs. All things considered, none of them ought to be utilized rather than clinical treatment for any condition. Diuretic spices and flavors incorporate ricel, horsetail, dark cumin, dandelion, parsley, and oregano. Individuals can accept them as teas and enhancements or use them in cooking. Raspberry, pomegranate, garlic, and melons are diuretic nourishments that may help eliminate abundance water. Juiced beverages and potassium-rich nourishments, beans, lentils, bananas, potatoes, may likewise contribute. To guarantee ideal kidney well-being, you should practice normally, remain hydrated, and limit the admission of table salt. Magnesium enhancements may battle water maintenance in PMS. Look for clinical assistance in the event that you experience abrupt water maintenance and counsel your primary care physician before enhancing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more information about your health. Click on the subscribe button and notification bell for you to know when I drop new video on this channel.